Hi there and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to explore how to scent a bathroom with pure essential oils. You are going to love my simple and easy ways to up-level these very important rooms in your home using just a few drops of pure essential oil. I'm Cynthia Insa, an essential oil enthusiast and educator, and I love to help people understand how to use pure essential oils. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. I have been teaching about essential oils for nearly 15 years, and this video is part of a series where I show you how easy it is to use pure essential oils to scent your home. Stick around to the end and I will tell you how to get the recipes that I talk about in this video. The thing about bathrooms is they're all different sizes, right? A bathroom might be a very small room that just has a toilet and a sink in it, or it might be a larger room with a toilet, sink, combined tub and shower, or even separate tub and shower. Bathrooms can be really large and luxurious. Here is why that's important. How you use essential oils, and even which essential oils you use, will depend on the size of the bathroom as well as what fixtures it has. Let's talk about small bathrooms first. When a room is small, you want to use essential oils that are not too strong in their aroma, and you want to use diffusing methods that will not put too much aroma into the space. Some essential oils evaporate very quickly and the aroma doesn't last long. These are the ones with the smallest and lightest molecules. Other essential oils include larger molecules that stick around a lot longer, and some essential oils include fragrant compounds that are extremely pungent. I'm thinking about oregano for this one. That's not one I would diffuse in a small bathroom. Small bathrooms are where a passive diffuser is a really great option because you wouldn't really want a diffuser in there that would be running all day long. It would put too much scent into the air. My home has a small powder room and I use a lava stone diffuser in there. I will add a few drops of essential oil to the lava stones whenever I notice that it needs refreshing. Right now, I'm using a blend of spice oils on my lava stones called Holiday Joy. Spice oils linger for a long time, so I only need to refresh the aroma every few days. You can choose any aroma that you love the smell of course. Now, you can pick any type of passive diffuser here. It doesn't have to be lava stones. It could be cotton balls or felted wool, a bowl of potpourri or dried pine cones. You get the idea. Keep it simple. The small bathroom is also a space where a spray bottle comes in handy. Make your spray using water and 1 to 2 drops of essential oil for every ounce of water. Remember that in between uses, the essential oil and water will separate, so make sure you shake it up each time before you spray. Label the bottle too, so that you remember what you used and put the instructions on it so people know how to use the spray. This is an excellent, inexpensive replacement for those chemical air fresheners that are really not good for your health. One more simple tip that I love is to turn the toilet itself into a passive diffuser. How do you do that, you ask? Well, I keep a sanitizing essential oil in the bathroom, and after flushing, I add 1 or 2 drops to the toilet bowl. Remember, essential oils stay on the surface of the water, so until the next person uses the toilet, the essential oil will diffuse right from the toilet bowl. The sanitizing effect of the essential oil is a side benefit. There are 3 essential oils that I really like for this purpose. One of them is tea tree, and the other 2 are blends called Purify and On Guard. All of these have a fresh, clean scent, and they are very effective at killing germs. Of course, you don't need to use all of these ideas in your powder room. You can if you want, but do choose at least one of them to start with. Now let's take these few tricks and look at some additional options for larger bathrooms. Family bathrooms have almost always have a bathtub. Let's look at a few ways to utilize this fixture to create aroma. Bath time is a fabulous time to use essential oils. You only need a drop or 2, and you can choose oils that calm you down for bedtime, soothe sore muscles, or even help you when you're not feeling well. My favorites for a bedtime bath are Balance, Serenity, and Lavender. You can use them separately or create your own custom mixture. The one thing you need to remember is that essential oils don't mix with water. So we don't just drop essential oils into the bath. We need to use an emulsifier so that they mix into the water better. Here are 3 ways to do that. The first way is you can put the drops of essential oil into Epsom salts or sea salt. The salt will absorb the essential oil, and then you dissolve the salt into the bath water. The second way is you can add the drops of essential oil into some bath oil. You will love how soft your skin will be afterwards. I have a recipe for making your own bath oil, which I will share at the end of the video. The third way is you can use a little bit of liquid soap as an emulsifier. Add your drops of essential oil to the liquid soap and mix that into your bath water. You will need to adjust the number of drops of essential oil to the amount of water in your bath, of course. If you have a large bathtub and you fill it all the way up, you will need more drops of essential oil than if you had a small tub or if you're just using enough water to soak your feet. You can use essential oils in the shower too. You just need a way to diffuse the oils in the shower without them immediately washing down the drain. I like to use a shower steamer for this, and I love eucalyptus or easy air for shower steamers. They're both wonderful for clearing sinuses, but you could also start your day with Balance Blend to help you feel calm and grounded as you start your day. Now, how about diffusers? Family bathrooms are in general quite a lot bigger than powder rooms, and they're perfect for a small ultrasonic diffuser or a motion sensing diffuser that will puff out a little bit of essential oil whenever someone walks into the room. Either one of these will work great in a larger bathroom. Not only do pure essential oils fill your bathroom with fresh, invigorating aroma, but they have mood-lifting and stress-relieving properties as well. It's not just a treat for your nose. You can choose your bathroom aromas to help your whole family feel better. One last tip, I highly recommend keeping a collection of your favorite bath oils in each bathroom so they're right there when you need them. Besides whatever oil I'm using in the bathroom diffuser, I like to have one or two other oils in a holder for use as alternative sanitizers and odor neutralizers. My favorites: tea tree, eucalyptus, wild orange, purify, and on guard. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and get notified whenever I add a new video. I'm going through every room in the house so you will know exactly what diffuser or method is best and what essential oils to use as well. Before I forget, I would love to know which room in the house you would like to know about next. Please let me know in the comments. I also promised that if you stuck with me to the end of the video, I would tell you how to get the recipes that I refer to in this video. So here you go. Look in the caption for a link. As a bonus, there is a second link you can use to subscribe to my weekly email of essential oil tips, recipes, and more. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you again soon.